Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to enable haptics and vibration in silent mode on iPhone. So first of all, just go ahead to your main settings, and what I'm going to do here, I'm going to just go ahead and click on general, and I'm going to just click software update. And basically what I'm going to do, I'm going to double check if the iOS needs to be updated. So if it does, just go ahead and do it so we can keep up with the newest updates, and if you don't, just move along to the next step. Now what I'm going to get back to my main settings, and I'm gonna just go ahead to enter to my sounds and haptics. And what I'm gonna do here, I'm gonna see right here at the top the haptics right here, and here you're gonna see the volume buttons will not affect the volume of the ringtone and alerts. Go ahead and click on the haptics, and as you can see right here, it says or I chose to never play haptics on my iPhone, but if you want, just go ahead right here and just go ahead and click always play or play in silent mode, and haptics will play when iPhone rings or receives an alert while you are in silent mode. So if you want to put the settings the way it is, just go ahead and do it. And basically what's gonna happen whenever you receive a notification from a friend or something like that, and you maybe made your phone on the silent mode, you'll be able to get the vibration or the haptics for the notification. All right, let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell. Thank you for watching.